Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to learn how to merge cells on Microsoft Excel. So what exactly means merging cells? So it simply means that you take the cells that you have here and simply put them together. So when I'm talking about merging cells, you can pretty much merge all the cells in your Excel spreadsheet. What we're gonna do right now is we are going to create a title for our table right here, and we're also going to calculate the sum of all these salaries. So we're gonna merge cells in two places. All right. So first of all, how exactly can you create a title for this little table? So let's say we're gonna call the title here names, or just table of names. So as you can see here, we have it in one cell. If we want to put all those cells together, well, merge them together, how exactly we'll proceed? It's pretty simple. We're just gonna select all those three cells, and then we're gonna go on merge and center. And there we can click on merge. And as you can see here, these cells have been merged. Now, it's also possible to do it on columns. So let's say I wanna merge those cells together. I can do the same thing. So I can just select these cells and click on the merge and center button. And what's interesting with this is that if, for example, I want to write something, so this is the sum, it will write it down pretty much in all the cells, as you can see, not just in one cell. Also, it will act as only one cell. Also, if I want to add a function, for example, inside of this big cell, I will be able to do so because, as I said, it acts as one cell. All right. So if I write, for example, a function, so it's going to be sum, and it's going to be the sum of all the salaries. As you can see here, I have the sum of all the salaries that have appeared. So basically, I merged my cells, and I have the sum of all the salaries that is here. Sum of just sum. So here we go. So this is how we can merge cells on Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, you can merge your cells vertically and also horizontally. The only thing that you can do, if for example you merge those cells right here, you won't be able to merge horizontally as well. So in the sense that, let me just show you an example. If I want to merge my cells like this, I won't be able to do so. So for example, merge this cell, those merged cells with those merged cells, I won't be able to do so. But if, for example, I want to merge, I don't know, those cells right here, I have those cells right here that are merged, and I want to merge those two sets of merged cells, I will be able to do so. So as you can see right here. But I won't be able to merge vertically and horizontally at the same time. So this is just a little thing when you merge cells. So once again, if you found value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.